Ever felt like you're constantly comparing yourself to others? Or maybe fear holds you back from pursuing your dreams? You're not alone. Low self-confidence can hold us back from achieving our full potential. But don't worry, because today, we're about to unlock the secrets to boosting your self-esteem and unleashing your inner champion. Get ready to transform your life with these 10 powerful tips. Tip 1. Stop comparing. Imagine this. You're scrolling through Instagram, admiring someone's luxurious vacation. You start comparing your life to theirs, feeling inadequate. This is a common trap. Remember, social media often portrays an idealized version of reality. Focus on your own journey, celebrate your wins, and remember that everyone has their own unique path to success. For the next 24 hours, consciously avoid comparing yourself to others on social media. Notice how it makes you feel. Tip 2. Face your fears. Fear is a natural human emotion, but it shouldn't dictate your life. Let's say you're terrified of public speaking. Instead of avoiding it, yourself to speak at a small gathering. The more you face your fears, the less power they have over you. Start small. If you're afraid of public speaking, begin by speaking in front of a mirror or a small group of friends. Gradually increase as you gain confidence. Tip 3. Seek validation from within. Don't rely on external validation. Your worth isn't defined by likes or compliments. Develop a strong inner compass. Celebrate your achievements, big or small, and acknowledge your own strengths and talents. Instead of seeking praise for a project, take a moment to appreciate the effort you put in and the skills you developed. Tip 4. Practice positive self-talk. What you tell yourself matters. Replace negative thoughts like, "I can't do this," with positive affirmations like, "I am capable and I will succeed." For 1 week, consciously monitor your inner dialogue. Whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively, reframe the thought into a positive one. Tip 5. Dress to impress. When you look good, you feel good. Invest in clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. If you have an important meeting, dress professionally. It will not only boost your confidence but also leave a positive impression on others. Tip 6. Prioritize yourself. Don't neglect your own needs for the sake of others. Learn to say no when necessary. This week, identify one thing you can do for yourself that you've been putting off. Make time for it, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Tip 7. Stand tall. Good posture not only improves your physical appearance but also signals confidence. Stand tall, shoulders back, and head held high. Practice good posture throughout the day. Set reminders to check your posture and adjust accordingly. Tip 8. Become independent. The more self-reliant you are, the more confident you'll feel. Develop new skills, explore your interests, and strive for financial independence. Learn a new language, take an online course, or start a small side hustle. These experiences will not only boost your skills, but also your confidence. Tip 9. Create a confidence playlist. Music has a powerful effect on our emotions. Create a playlist of upbeat and motivational songs to instantly boost your mood and energy. Create a playlist of at least 5 songs that make you feel confident and energized. Listen to it whenever you need a quick confidence boost. Tip 10. Take action. The best way to build confidence is by taking action. Set realistic goals, break them down into smaller steps, and celebrate each milestone. If your goal is to run a marathon, start with shorter runs and gradually increase the distance. Celebrate each running milestone along the way. In the end, I just want to say that building confidence is a continuous journey. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never give up on your dreams. Remember, you are capable of achieving great things. Share this video with someone who could benefit from these tips and encourage them to start their confidence-building journey.